Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into planning project schedules with Zoho Project, the full 2025 guide. First things first, you'll need to create your project. Simply click on New Project on the dashboard, fill in the necessary details, and hit Create. The reason we do this is to establish a clear foundation for your schedule. Next up, you'll need to add tasks to your project. Click on Add Task under the Tasks and Milestones tab. Here's where you define each task, assign it to a team member, and set its duration. This is a critical step because it allows you to delegate work effectively and ensure every aspect of your project is covered. Now that we've done that, it's time to sequence your tasks. This is where you need to determine which tasks need to be completed before others can start. This can be done by setting dependencies between tasks. You'll do this by clicking on a task, then on the Dependencies tab, and selecting the necessary task from the drop-down list. This helps us because it enables us to create a logical flow of tasks and prevents any holdups in the project process. Finally, visualize your schedule with the Gantt chart. You can access this by clicking on the Gantt chart tab. The Gantt chart automatically adjusts as you add or modify tasks, providing a visual representation of your project timeline. Let me explain why this matters. The Gantt chart allows you to see the big picture of your project schedule, making it easier to spot potential bottlenecks or delays. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've planned your project schedule in Zoho Project. Remember, the key to successful project management is staying organized and being flexible to change. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those projects running smoothly.